Hi everyone, in this video I will be creating this festive makeup look. I did upload a smoky glam look a few days ago. You can click on the cards to check it out. This look is a little bit more soft, it's a little bit more cool toned. It does require a bit more effort than the previous one, but I'm sure you can follow along and recreate it. So let's get started. I am going to start with sunscreen because I want to make this look versatile. You can wear it during daytime as well. The sunscreen that I will be using is the Radiance Plus Dewy Sunscreen from Aqualogica. This part of the video is in collaboration with Aqualogica. The Radiance Plus variant is perfect for oily skin. This has clinically certified SPF 50 PA+++. It is a good sunscreen for all skin types, but an amazing one for oily skin. You don't get a white cast and there is no pilling, so this can definitely be worn under makeup. Festive season is all about the glowy look. To get an instant glow, I will be using a few drops of Aqualogica Glow Plus Juicy Dew Drops. This is one of a kind skincare product that gives you an instant glow. You can use this product as the last step in your skincare routine. This has extremely fine shimmer particles that work as illuminator to give you that glowy glass skin finish. It is completely non-sticky, has lightweight texture and gets easily absorbed into the skin. I will also be mixing a little bit of the dew drops with my foundation to get a luminous finish. For foundation, I will be using the Miss Claire Everyday Foundation in the shade Caramel. You can also mix the dew drops with concealer or your blush to get a glow from within. This product is available on Nykaa and Amazon. You can use code PRAKRITI20 to get 20% off on aqualogica.in. As you can see, this gives such a beautiful glowy finish to this foundation. It kind of converts the foundation into a tinted moisturizer, but you will get the coverage. It also depends on how many drops you mix with the foundation. I used a couple of drops here. I loved the finish, it was very skin-like and glassy. Now for concealer and corrector, I'm using the Insight HD Conceal Correct and Contour palette in the shade Medium. First, I will be using the orange corrector and applying it around the inner corner of my eyes. This cancels a lot of discoloration. It also gives some coverage and it isn't too orange. Once I'm done with the color correcting, I'm using these two shades from the palette and I am going to use them as concealer. I'm using a brush to place the concealer and then I am going to blend it in with a sponge. The sponge gives a more smooth finish when it comes to cream concealers. So always use a sponge after applying cream concealer or after blending it with a brush. For setting my face, I will be using the Nykaa Matte Compact in Olive. I will be applying it under my eyes and setting the smile lines as well. I'm not applying this all over my face because I don't want to mattify my face. I just love this glow. For filling in my eyebrows, I will be using the Plum I Swear by Brow Definer. This one is in the shade Ash Black. I am going to fill in my eyebrows a bit more than usual and I will be making them a little bit more dark. After this, I will just be brushing them up. For eyeshadow, I will be using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette and I think this one is in the variant 06 or 04. You can check out the description box. First, I'm just going to pick up this transition shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyes. I'm going to focus it into my crease and I'm using a fluffy blending brush from PAK to apply this shade. After this, I'm going to pick up this pink shade for my crease. I'm going to use a smaller blending brush. First of all, I'm just going to focus it on the outer corner and then I'm taking the leftover to my crease. Then I'm going to pick up this brown shade and I am going to apply it in my outer corner plus crease. Can you see how smooth that looks? I really love how these shades blend with each other. They're not chalky or patchy and this palette is very affordable. Now I'm just going to blend everything out. And then I'm just going to take the pink shade for my lower lash line. Now for my cut crease, I am going to use the Mars Ice Your Eyes eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Big Bang. You don't need a concealer, this product is enough. You can just use this to cut your crease and you can get a sharp cut crease with this. Then I'm just taking this plum metallic shade from the palette and applying it on the outer corner. I'm just giving this cut crease shade a smooth transition into the deeper shade that I applied in my outer corner. After this, I am going to use the Nykaa Black Magic Gel Eyeliner. I'm going to use this for a winged liner. I exhausted the Huda Beauty liquid liner, but I love the wand, so I use it with other gel eyeliners. Next, I'm just going to tight line my eyes. Now we are going to move back to the face, and for that, first of all, I'm going to use a bronzer. For bronzer, I'm using the MUA Bronzed Matte Solar Bronzing Powder, and this one is in the shade 130. I'm just going to use this as powder contour. I am going to contour my forehead, cheekbones and jawline. The brush that I'm using here is the Cuffs and Lashes contouring brush. For blush, I will be using the MUA Blushed Matte Blush. This one is in the shade Rouge Punch. This is a 100% matte blush. It blends really well. It's a deep pink shade. The shade is not exactly how it looks on Nykaa's website, but I think that this is a really beautiful pink shade, and it can also be used by dusky and deeper skin tones. On the website, it looks more like a red pink shade. After this, I am going to spray my face with the Mars Seal the Deal setting spray. Then I will be using a powder highlighter. This one is the MUA Shimmer Highlight Powder. This is a really beautiful neutral highlighter for deeper skin tones. It's very buildable. You can start with a very soft glow and you can build it up to a blinding look. Next, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. For false eyelashes, I'm using the Swiss Beauty 3D Studio Effect eyelashes. These have a very thin band, they are easy to apply and they are very lightweight. You won't even feel like you have lashes on. For lipstick, I'm using the Insight 24-Hour Non-Transfer Matte Lipstick in the shade Forget Me. This is a blue toned red, it has one swipe pigmentation and it's a really beautiful red shade. And that's it for the video. This is the completed look. Let me know in the comments if you recreate this look. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.